Welcome to the fourth video in the Firefox Tips and Tricks, the web design series. I was going to move on to some other plugins, but I have decided there's a lot more features to Pixlr Grabber here, and it needs to be covered so you can get the full use out of it. You'll notice when earlier video, and I showed you on the setting up the options that we would put in the footer here, the icon. All right, so there it is. And if you'll click on the little arrow, you'll see that you've got some actual pop-ups here, some actual options here. You've got a few ones here. Let's go ahead and what this does is it takes screenshots for you. Okay, grab the entire page, just what it says. It's going to grab this entire area that just turned darker shade. You can edit it. You can actually save it. So there you go. That's what happened there. See how it went to it? I'm not going to make any edits to it, but that's a good one to test your tools with right here. And what we'll do is we will go back over here and I'll show you grab a defined area. You'll see what happens here is I'm holding my left mouse down and I'm moving this around wherever I'd like to go. Okay, I'm going to put it right here, and you'll notice when you get in the little boxes here, you can resize it. Okay, so you can pick an actual area on the screen also, and what you'll do is, oops, see what I actually messed up there. Got to get it up so you can see it. So then you would hit crop, and again you can share it. I'm not going to go into that. Click the button, you'll find out what happens. You can save it just like it is to your desktop. You can copy it to your clipboard so you can paste it into another application, to a paint program, or whatever the case may be. Or of course, again, you can edit it. That's just what you've got there. And grab visible part. Again, that is just basically like grabbing the whole screen there. You do that, it automatically copies it, and you could use a Control V to paste it into an actual paint program. If you like using paint or whatever on your computer, you can actually do it that way also. So the entire page again, go to edit, see what we got. Entire page. And what the entire page is you notice it didn't do just an area. Okay, it did the entire page from the top to the actual bottom, top to the bottom. Okay, and defined area, entire page, or visible part. The visible part is just going to be what you see right here. Go to edit and you'll see what I'm talking about. You'll notice that we no longer have all the way down to the footer of this page, only the visible part. So that's how you can get some easy screenshots and pull stuff off, especially when you're making video tutorials or actually PDF books and you got to have examples. This is a great way to actually get your images, and you can put your information on here with your text tool just like you would with the header in the other videos, or watermark them, whatever the case may be. That pretty much, that pretty much covers it. You can go ahead and play around here. You've got this, of course, this Express, and it is basically a basic, a basic image editor. It doesn't have anywhere near the features that I was showing you on the other one, and you may find it useful from time to time to do quick adjustments. You can actually open it up from a URL, which is great. You got an image you want to edit that's on the web somewhere, you can do that, or you can open it from your computer, and then you'll actually be able to use the functions over here. Personally, I don't use it that much. And that right there pretty much covers everything that you can do with the Pixlr Grabber. Pretty neat tool. So I decided to make this video just to show you the little extras to that. Now we're going to move on to the other favorite plugins that I use to edit graphics. Actually, not edit graphics, but to help me edit graphics. I'll see you in the next video.